Well, I'm telling you all for almost a month now to do this and do that. Eat this, eat that. But I haven't touched why you should do intermittent fasting except just for weight loss. Well, your Indian fasting guy is back with another video in which I will tell you about other amazing benefits of intermittent fasting and relationship between fasting and cancer. And at the end, there is a tribute to two of the greatest actors of Indian cinema, Mr. Irfan Khan and Mr. Rishi Kapoor. So, stay tuned till the end. So, without wasting any time, let's move on to the first one. It acts as a shield against those infections and helps you in fighting them. Thus, it improves your immunity. I have talked about autophagy in my previous videos. It acts as a recycle bin and takes away useless and damaged cells and puts healthier cells, or in this case I must say beautiful cells, on your skin, thus providing you with anti-aging properties. As it makes you aware of what you are eating, at what time you are eating, and restricting your calories through time. It makes you disciplined and saves your time and money as well. Now comes the greatest myth regarding fasting, which is you will lose your muscles when you do a fast. Well, that is not the case at all. It increases your testosterone by 180% and your growth hormones by a staggering 2000%. Thus, it helps you in preserving your muscle and in increasing your muscle mass. So, keep calm and do fasting. It helps you in decreasing the inflammation inside your body and kicks you into your healing process. Thus, it decreases your pain. It helps in clearing the clogged arteries filled with cholesterol, thus helping a person with heart conditions, and also improves insulin sensitivity, helping in the treatment of diabetes. Ever heard कि मैं तो सिर्फ एक रोटी खाता हूँ या खाती हूँ फिर भी मेरा वेट लॉस क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? या फिर मुझे बस खाना लग ज़्यादा जाता है? Well, that is all because of your bad metabolism. Well, intermittent fasting fixes your this problem too. This is my third video in Beginner's Guide to Intermittent Fasting. And if you haven't watched my quarantine water fast video, please do have a look through the links provided here. And if you are liking the content, a subscription would be amazing. Moving on to the last part of the video. Yes, it helps in the treatment of cancer. Now, don't act like this. I will make you understand all of it in the easiest way possible. You have to understand that the favorite food of cancer is carbohydrates, or sugar, or glucose. When you do intermittent fasting and keto diet, which is eating less carbohydrates in your diet, you deprive that cancer cell of its favorite food. While you are fasting, your body is running on ketones, which are derived or made from the body fat, and these cancer cells do not have the ability to take energy from these ketones, but your body can. Cancer cells are 10 times more sensitive to glucose than the normal cells, and as told earlier, cancer cells do not have the ability to take energy from aerobic metabolism, that is, fat. Now, why is cancer so difficult to treat? It is like an unwanted relative who comes to your house, eats your food, uses your things, and puts load on your family. Same is with our body. Our body protects that cancer cells as its own, and it hijacks our immune system in return. So when we do a short term fast such as for 24 hours to 72 hours fast, Before chemo, it makes cancer cells weak and the treatment more effective. So, this is how fasting helps in the treatment of cancer. Till date, studies haven't been conducted on long term fasting. This field requires serious research.
तुमको झूठे मार्क्स देकर पास करा दिया तो हम दोनों फेल।
आप नंबर देंगे, हम पैसे। फेल क्यों?
तुम फेल क्योंकि तुम सीखोगे हर चीज खरीदी जा सकती है। मैं फेल क्योंकि तुम बड़े होकर मुझे मेरी बेईमानी के लिए याद रखोगे। मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को मेरी याद तो तब आनी चाहिए जब मेरी पढ़ाई का उन्हें कोई फायदा हो, जब बड़े होकर अपने बच्चों से मिलवाकर बोले दुग्गल सर ने मुझे गुड बॉय गुड गर्ल बनाया।
उम्मीद है कि फिल्म आपको सिखाएगी, हंसाएगी, रुलाएगी, फिर हंसाएगी शायद। एंजॉय द ट्रेलर एंड बी काइंड टू ईच अदर एंड वॉच द फिल्म एंड यस, वेट फॉर मी।
खामोशाई, जिंदगी और मौत ऊपर वाले के हाथ है। जहां पना उसे ना तो आप बदल सकते हैं ना मैं। हम सब तो रंगमंच की कठपुतलियां हैं जिनकी डोर ऊपर वाले की उंगलियों में बंधी है। कब कौन कैसे उठेगा ये कोई नहीं बता सकता है। ये बाबू मोशाय, तो भालो बाशा भालो ना है, इतना प्यार अच्छा नहीं। क्या फर्क है 70 साल और 6 महीने में? मौत एक पल है बाबू मोशाय। आने वाले 6 महीने में जो लाखों पल में जीने वाले उसका क्या होगा? बाबू मोशाय, जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं। हक के डर से अगर जिंदा रहना छोड़ दिया तो मौत किसे कहते हैं? क्यों दोस्त? बाबू मोशाय, जब तक जिंदा हूं तब तक मरा नहीं, जब मर गया साला मैं ही नहीं।